Web architecture. Internet service providers. These can come in many different forms. The service provider is necessary for the connection to the Internet. Some examples of providers are shown here on the screen. These companies will charge a fee and in return allow access to the Internet for the user. Domain. The domain is the identification string. It identifies the part of the network that the network address belongs to. It is the web address that is used to search. Web design software. The software that can be used to create websites. There are many different types of website design software and made by many different companies. Some examples of these softwares include Dreamweaver, Serif Web Plus, WebEasy, and many more. Web hosting. The host provides storage space and allows access to the website. This is something that is often outsourced to locations outside of the producer. This service is provided on a server that not only connects to the Internet and allows the user to connect to this website, it also allows for a data center. The components of the Internet. Web servers. The web server is a technology that runs the processes that are requested through HTTP or Hypertext Protocol. It is used to store, process, and deliver the web pages to the client. Email servers. The email server is used to store the data of the mail. It acts as a database for the user's account and the mail the server recognizes. Proxy server. A proxy server is a computer that offers a network service that allows the client to make an indirect connection and access other network services. The client connects to the proxy server and requests the needed items. Router. A router is a networking device that the client connects to. This can be connected in two ways to the device. It can be wired or wireless. The router deals with the traffic directed function of the Internet. Browser. A web browser is a piece of application software that is used for retrieving, representing, and transferring the information from the World Wide Web. It is an information resource provider that gives the user the information that is required. Email applications. An email application is also called email client or email reader. It allows the user to view the mail that they have received and or sent. The email client is a computer program that accesses them and manages the user's emails. Internet protocol. An Internet protocol is the principal communications protocol. It relays datagrams across the network boundaries. It has a routing function that allows internetworking and provides what is needed to establish the Internet connection. How does the Internet work? The Internet is a connection of all these items that I have now mentioned. So starting with the device that the user is using, which can be a computer, mobile, or any other device that is connected to the Internet. These devices are then connected to the router, with this connection can be made wirelessly or wired using an Ethernet cable. The router is connected to the modem. The router uses an ISP connection to the Internet. The websites that the user will be accessing through the Internet are connected to a proxy server, which is then connected to the separate website servers.